Ever walked out of a HubSpot meeting feeling like you talked a lot, but nothing concrete actually happened? You're not alone. Meetings can be incredibly productive, but only if you leave with clear action items and a plan to execute them. That's why knowing how to start a task directly within a HubSpot meeting is such a game changer. It bridges the gap between discussion and action, ensuring everyone's on the same page and things actually get done. In this video, we're going to dive deep into exactly how to do that step by step. We'll cover everything from creating tasks during the meeting itself, assigning them to the right people, setting due dates, and even linking them to specific deals or contacts. By the end, you'll be able to run more efficient, productive meetings that drive real results. Let's be honest. How many times have you left a meeting with a vague sense of what needs to happen next, only to have those good intentions fade away as the day goes on? We've all been there. That's the problem HubSpot's task management within meetings solves. It takes the "we should probably do that" and turns it into a concrete, assigned action item. So where do we start? First things first, you need to be in a HubSpot meeting. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. Whether you're using HubSpot's built-in meeting tool or integrating with another platform, make sure you're in the meeting environment where you can access the task features. Now, let's say you're discussing a new marketing campaign during your meeting. Someone mentions the need to create a new landing page. Instead of just noting it down on a piece of paper or hoping someone remembers later, you can create a task right there and then. Within your HubSpot meeting interface, you should see an option for tasks. The exact location might vary slightly depending on your HubSpot version and the specific meeting tool you're using, but it's usually easily accessible. Look for icons that represent tasks or menu options related to actions or follow-ups. Click on the task option, and you'll be presented with a field to enter the task description. Be specific. Instead of just saying landing page, say create landing page for Q3 lead magnet campaign promoting ebook on inbound marketing. The more detail you provide, the clearer the task is for the person responsible. Next, you need to assign the task. This is where accountability comes in. Select the person from your team who's best suited to handle this task. HubSpot usually provides a drop-down menu of meeting participants or team members you can assign it to. Choosing the right person ensures the task lands in the right hands and increases the likelihood of it being completed efficiently. After assigning the task, the next crucial step is setting a due date. This adds a sense of urgency and helps keep projects on track. Think realistically about how long the task will take and set a reasonable deadline. Don't set it too far in the future, or it might get forgotten. Equally, don't set it too soon, or it might create unnecessary pressure. Now, here's where things get really powerful. You can often link these tasks to specific contacts, deals, or companies within HubSpot. This creates a direct connection between the task and the relevant record, providing valuable context and making it easier to track progress. For example, if the landing page is related to a specific deal, link the task to that deal. This way, anyone looking at the deal record can see the associated task and its status. Once you've entered the description, assign the task, set the due date, and linked it to any relevant records, simply save the task. It's now officially created and visible to everyone involved. But what if you need to create multiple tasks during the meeting? No problem. The process is exactly the same. Just repeat the steps for each individual task. This ensures that every action item discussed is captured and assigned, leaving no room for ambiguity or forgotten follow-ups. Now, let's talk about best practices. Creating tasks in HubSpot meetings isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about fostering a culture of accountability and efficiency. Here are a few tips to maximize the benefits. Be proactive. Don't wait until the end of the meeting to create tasks. As soon as an action item is identified, create the task right then and there. This prevents things from slipping through the cracks. Encourage participation. Get everyone involved in the task creation process. This ensures everyone understands their responsibilities and contributes to a shared sense of ownership. Review tasks regularly. Don't just create tasks and forget about them. Regularly review the tasks during team meetings or one-on-ones to track progress and address any roadblocks. Use task descriptions effectively. As mentioned earlier, be specific and detailed in your task descriptions. The clearer the description, the less room there is for misinterpretation. Prioritize tasks. Not all tasks are created equal. Use HubSpot's task prioritization features, if available, to highlight the most important action items. Integrate with other tools. If you use other project management tools, explore integrations with HubSpot. This can help streamline your workflow and keep everything in sync. Train your team. Make sure everyone on your team knows how to create and manage tasks within HubSpot meetings. This ensures everyone is on the same page and using the tool effectively. By following these best practices, you can transform your HubSpot meetings from passive discussions into productive, action-oriented sessions. You'll leave meetings with a clear understanding of who's responsible for what and when it needs to be done. So, to recap, creating a task in a HubSpot meeting involves navigating to the task section within the meeting interface, providing a detailed description of the task, assigning it to the appropriate team member, setting a realistic due date, and, if applicable, linking it to relevant contacts, deals, or companies. Remember to be proactive, encourage participation, review tasks regularly, and use detailed descriptions. Implementing this simple yet powerful technique will significantly improve your team's productivity and help you achieve your business goals faster. It turns meetings from talkfests into action-oriented sessions, ensuring that every discussion point translates into a tangible action item. This level of clarity and accountability is essential for any successful team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.